In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your forms to Brevo. To start, you'll first need to log into your Brevo account. This is the essential hub where all integrations will be managed, so ensure your login details are handy. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the SMTP and API section from your profile menu. This is where you'll manage your API settings for connecting other services. After you've found the SMTP and API section, head to the API keys and MCP tab. This area is crucial because it's here where you can generate the API key that will be used for your form integrations. Now, click on Generate a new API key. You'll be prompted to name your API key. This is just for your reference, so choose a name that you'll remember easily. Once you've decided on a name, go ahead and click Generate. This will create the API key you need. The next step is to copy the API key. Make sure you do this carefully because you'll need this key when connecting Brevo to your forms. If you're using WordPress, you'll need to install the Brevo plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. This plugin is essential for connecting your WordPress forms with Brevo. After the plugin is installed, navigate to Brevo in the WordPress menu and head over to Settings. Here you'll paste the API key that you just generated. This action connects WordPress to Brevo, allowing you to integrate your forms seamlessly. With the plugin installed and your API key in place, use the plugin's built-in form feature, or if you prefer, connect it to popular WordPress form builders like Contact Form 7, WP Forms, or Elementor Forms through their integration settings. If you're using a landing page builder like ClickFunnels or Leadpages, most of these platforms offer a Brevo or Sendinblue integration option within their form settings. Simply locate the integration settings, paste your API key, and then proceed to choose the desired contact list. Don't forget to map your form fields properly to ensure all data is transferred correctly. Now, if you are utilizing Google Forms or other apps not directly integrated with Brevo, you can use third-party tools like Zapier, Make, or Pabbly Connect to establish the connection. These automation tools allow you to link Google Forms with Brevo smoothly, ensuring a seamless data transfer process. Remember, each platform might have slightly different steps, but the overall process remains the same. Generate and use the API key as a bridge between Brevo and your selected forms. By following these steps, you'll ensure all your form submissions are directly connected to Brevo, setting the stage for effective email marketing and client management. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.